आज हम गैस लॉज के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। पहला गैस लॉ है बॉयल्स लॉ। द एब्सोल्यूट प्रेशर ऑफ ए गिवन मास ऑफ ए perfect gas varies inversely as its volume when the temperature remains constant. Pressure is inversely proportional to volume, or we can say P multiplied by V is equal to constant. P is pressure and V is volume. Second law is Charles law. The volume of a given mass of a perfect gas varies directly as its absolute temperature when the absolute pressure remains constant. Means volume is proportional to T or V by T is equal to constant. Gas-Lussac law. In this law, the absolute pressure of a given mass of perfect gas varies directly at its absolute temperature when the volume remains constant. P proportional to T. P by T is equal to constant. Ideal gas. The above laws are used to drive the following relation. The hypothetical or imaginary gas which obeys the law PV is equal to RT, which is derived from the Boyle's law, Charles law, and basic law. At all pressure and temperature is called an ideal gas. But the real gases approaches the ideal gas behavior as that are high relative to critical temperature and at pressure that are low relative to critical pressure. At low pressure and high temperature, the density of gas decreases and the gas behaves an ideal gas. That is, at low pressure and high temperature, PV is equal to RT. Specific volume is the formula is total volume divided by mass. PV is equal to MRT. M is equal to molecular weight into number of mole, and this MR multiplication is RO, that is universal gas constant, same for all substances, that is 8.314 kilojoule per kg mole Kelvin. For system consisting 1 mole of gas becomes PV mole is equal to MRT, where pressure P is in kilonewton per meter square, volume meter cube, mass kg, which is equal to molecular weight multiplied by number of moles. V by M is equal to specific volume, characteristic gas constant different for each gas, and its value for air is 0.287 kilojoule per kg. For real gas, PV is equal to ZnRE0T. Z is a compressibility factor. Z is equal to 1 for ideal gas. So this relation is used in moles as well as in mass, as shown below. This is mass formula. This is moles formula. General gas equation, equation of state. Any equation that relates pressure, volume, and specific pressure, specific volume, and temperature of a substance is called a equation of state. Is it clear? This is ideal gas equation. The relation between pressure, volume, and temperature is equation of state, where V is the specific one. What are the assumptions? Any finite volume of gas consists of a very large number of molecules. बहुत सारे molecules में. The molecules are separated by distances large compared their own dimensions and are in the state of continuous motion. Molecules exert no forces on another except they collide. Collision of molecules with one another and with the walls of container are perfectly elastic. Property of mixture of gases. In an ideal gas, molecules are spaced far apart, means low density, so that behavior of a molecule is not influenced by presence of other molecules, which I have discussed in assumptions of ideal gas equation. In real gas, intermolecular forces are significant at high densities. The following laws hold only for ideal gas mixtures but only approximately for real gas mixture. Real gases approximately behave closely as ideal gas where they are at low pressure or high temperature related to their critical point values. We will discuss in next mm, s- slides what is the critical point in next lecture. Sorry. Dalton's law of partial or additive pressure. The pressure of a gas mixture, this is ideal gas mixture, is equal to the sum of pressures each gas would exert if it existed alone at the mixture and temperature volume. इसमें क्या गैस ये है, वॉल्यूम और टेम्परेचर कांस्टेंट है, ये वॉल्यूम और टेम्परेचर तीनों में बराबर है। प्रेशर इसका पी ए है, इसका पी बी, तो दोनों को जोड़कर पी ए प्लस टोटल प्रेशर है पी ए पी, partial pressure of this gas is Pa, partial pressure of this gas is Pb, and total is Pa, total pressure is Pa plus Pb. Avogadro's law of partial or additive volumes. The volume of a gas mixture is equal to the sum of the volumes each gas would occupy if it existed alone at a mixture temperature and pressure. Gas and gas B, pressure and temperature same, gas mixture pressure and temperature same, its partial volume Va, partial volume Vb, and total volume is Va plus Vb. This is Avogadro's law. This is the discussion of gas laws.